Hi everyone. In this video, I will demonstrate how to manually install an agent on your Windows target machines. So, let's get started. Let me start by saying that there are three different methods you can use to install an agent on a Windows machine. You can perform a push installation from the console, you can manually install an agent, and you can install an agent from the cloud. This video demonstrates the manual installation option. The other two options are covered in separate videos. The most popular method is to perform a push install from the console, but sometimes that just isn't possible. For example, some target machines may have a firewall enabled that blocks the incoming ports required to perform a network installation. Or your target machine may be a laptop that does not have an active network connection to the console. On these machines, you must manually install the agent. The first step is to go to the Agents tab on the Options dialog. Here, you want to enable the checkbox and specify a unique passphrase. The passphrase is used later in the process to authenticate the agent to the console. Now, as with many things in security controls, there are two ways to perform a manual installation. You can use the conventional method, in which you manually move files and execute an installation wizard, or you can use a PowerShell script. I will demonstrate both methods, beginning with the conventional method. The conventional method requires you to move both the Security Controls issuing certificate and the agent installation executable file from the console machine to the desired target machines. You then run the agent installation wizard on each machine. You can locate the certificate, named ST-root authority, using Microsoft Management Console. Right-click the certificate and use the Export wizard to save the certificate to a folder on your console machine. Next, use File Explorer to locate the agent installation file. The installation file is named stplatformupdater.exe, and it can be found on the console in the Data Files folder. Copy the executable file to the same folder as the exported certificate. You then move both of these files to the desired target machines. On the target machine, use the Import option in Microsoft Management Console to import the certificate to the Trusted Root Authority. You are now ready to begin the actual agent installation on the target machine, which you initiate by double-clicking the executable file. The wizard will automatically install the agent on the target machine. But you are not done yet. You still need to register the agent. Security Controls offers two different registration methods, and the one you choose depends on how the agent will communicate with the console. If the agent machine is not on the corporate network and does not have a direct connection to the console, you would choose the cloud option. I'll talk more about this option in a separate video. For this example, my agent machine is connected to the corporate network, so I will choose the direct connection option. The registration process specifies how the agent will communicate with the Security Controls console. The first thing you need to do is specify either the host name or IP address of the console. In this example, I'll specify the IP address. You also need to specify the port number to use for forwarding information from the agent to the console. In this example, I'll just use the default. Next, do you remember the passphrase that we defined at the beginning of this video? Well, you need to specify it here. The passphrase will be used to authenticate the agent to the console. The last thing to specify is the policy that you want to assign to this agent. The list of available policies will initially be empty. To populate the list, you need to click Get Policy List. This will contact the console and populate the list with all available agent policies. Once the list is populated, simply select the policy that you want to assign to this agent. To complete the manual agent installation process, click Register. If this process seems a bit time-consuming and clumsy, well, it is. It has its place, but a simpler method is available, and that's to use a PowerShell script. The script is available from the Agent Options tab. The PowerShell script performs nearly all of the manual installation steps for you, including copying the certificate to the current user's Trusted Root Authority store and installing the agent using the policy and passphrase parameters that you provide. Here's what you do. Use either the Save Script to File button or the Copy Script to Clipboard button to save the script to a local or network folder. Use the Open Data Files Directory button to save the Agent Installer program to the same folder. Transfer the PowerShell script and the Agent Installer to your remote machine. Initiate the PowerShell script on the remote machine using a command similar to the following. And that's it. Now, which installation method is the best one for you? Only you can decide, but hopefully this video provides the information you need to help you make your decision. For more information about Ivanti Security Controls or any of our other products, see the other videos available on this channel or visit our product documentation page. And be sure to watch the related videos that show the other two agent installation options. Thanks for watching.